In addition to practice exams, questions, and books, you need a few other things. 1. A notebook for all of your Scratch work. This will be a place that you do all your actual work for practice problems. It's important to keep it in one place because, as we'll talk about later, reflection on how you approached questions is vital for quick learning. Number 2, and maybe the most important, is a journal separate from your Scratch work for all the things you learn. This notebook will serve as an organized record of all the lessons, tips, shortcuts, and reflections that you learn along the way. At times it may feel tedious or trivial to have this journal, but it really is an underestimated and powerful tool for your GMAT journey. I'll talk about it much more in the review and record part of this course. Number 3, an easy one, invest in a whiteboard and a pen. If you're not aware, the GMAT does not allow Scratch paper on the exam. They give you a special whiteboard with a fine point dry erase marker. In order to truly practice how you perform, get the whiteboard and get the fine point dry erase marker. It does feel different. Lastly, a partner. If you can find someone to practice with, it'll be a big boon to your whole preparation journey. A coworker, a friend, a fellow student online, working together with someone towards a goal is always helpful. You'll have someone to explain things to talk through your learnings with, which, as I'll talk about in a later video, is a demonstrably better way to ingrain new learnings than just trying to go over it in your head.